Hello everybody and welcome back to Tech Tutorials, and in this video we're going to be learning how to use ChatGPT for marketing. So let's get started. So I have few prompts ready for you. We can write an email subject line convincing potential customers to switch to our service. So you can simply email this to your potential customers, and you can see you have this line: upgrade your experience, switch to our service, and unlock unmatched benefits. So you can generate this type of lines and ideas to email to your customers to switch to your brand. So another prompt that could be used is that what are the 10 main points that are crucial to marketers trying to acquire new customers. So you can type in that, and ChatGPT will give you those 10 points that you can later on use for your marketing. So you can see target audience, clear and compelling message, multi-channel marketing, customer testimonials, and case studies. So you can use these points and utilize it into your marketing strategies and maybe get some positive results. So last but not least, we have list of ways to market my brand on TikTok. So if you want to get an idea how to market your brand on different types of social media, you can also take help of ChatGPT in that particular case. So enter that prompt and you will see that it will give you a very good idea how you can market your brand on TikTok. So you can see it is saying create a TikTok business account, develop content strategy, so on and so forth, and you can use all these points to make your brand even more powerful. So that's a pretty simple process. I really hope you found this video helpful. If you did so, make sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share with your friends. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.